better way to spend the day than on a cruise ship. So here we are. It's Voyage Vista, and we are above the Norwegian cruise ship in Hawaii, and we just sailed overnight to the next island, which is Maui. So Maui is where we're presently at, and I don't know what island is coming up next besides Maui. But you have about four to five different islands that actually makes up Hawaii. So I don't know. A lot of people has gotten off and wanted to tour Maui, but I didn't get off the ship. I just decided I'd stay on. I got out this morning, got me some breakfast. I've been sitting out here by the pool ever since. Just sitting there relaxing, enjoying the scenery. So hopefully this evening they have some kind of I'm quite sure they have some kind of activities going on. Some kind of pool party or something that they have going on. And we are aboard Norwegian Cruise Line. And like I was telling you guys before, this particular ship is called the Pride of America. And she sets sails each week. She sets sails 7 days. One weekend to the next weekend. And she sails around various different islands that makes up Hawaii. So it's a pretty nice trip so far. I could let's say have a good time. You know, it's the I wasn't really sure what to expect because this is my first cruise. It's not a constantly party or constant good time. You know, it happens in spurts. So you have downtime where you could sit back and relax, enjoy the pool, get yourself some drinks or whatever. So that's what I'm doing right now, just sitting there relaxing. I wish some of you guys were with me. Kind of rough being on the cruise by yourself, but it is what it is. I don't mind being by myself. I'm like an eagle. If you got a problem with being by yourself, then you got some issues. All with equal, as proud as it is, big as it is, all equals by themselves. John Shaft. I ask you to hit the like button, share button, and subscribe to my channel. Voyage Vista, your passport to adventure. Caviar dreams and champagne wishes. And this cruise is set to end next Saturday. We will be back in Honolulu. And so I'm going to spend a couple of days in Honolulu once we get back. And hopefully I'll be able to take you guys on a tour of some of the Pearl Harbor museum, histories, things that happen in Pearl Harbor, including getting on some of the battleships. Some of the battleships are docked there. You can actually get on the battleships. It has been turned into a museum. So hopefully I'll be able to get back in time to pick you guys on one of those tours, Pearl Harbor, and remembrance of what happened that particular day. I believe it was like 1940, something like 1944 or something like that. When the Japanese, for some reason or another, decided to attack the United States. So we're gonna be looking forward to that particular tour. Right now, I'm sitting back, relaxed, enjoy the rest of the morning or afternoon. I'll see you guys again in the next video upload. Thank you for watching. Just wanted to touch base with you guys. You're on this cruise ship and you get hungry in the middle of the night. They do offer room service. And let's see. Yeah, they offer you room service. They have a restaurant that's open 24 hours for that, because most of the restaurants close at 9 o'clock. But they do have one that's open 24 hours, and they offer, or they have room service. I think room service is about $9, and they charge it to your room, so you never pay anything up front. And you use the credit card that's on file when you book your trip. And this is the card that you get. This is the card that you use here. And that card is assigned to your room. And your credit card that you have on file is also linked to that card. So if you want a cocktail, Coke, coffee, any kind of meal, anything like that in the middle of the night, you can get the room service, and that's here on the Norwegian Cruise Line. For tomorrow morning, so we still here in Maui, and also we'll be leaving tomorrow around 5 or 6 p.m. going to the next island. And for tomorrow morning, we have a behind the scenes tour that I'm going to take you guys on. And it should start at about 9:30 in the morning. See, meeting point, Mardi Gras nightclub, deck 6, meeting room, time 9:15. It's gonna be 9:15 p.m. So yeah, we're gonna be having a behind the scenes tour of the Norwegian cruise ships, which includes the boardroom, meeting the captains and some of the officers that operates the cruise ship. And so we're looking forward to that tomorrow. And I purchased that ticket prior to coming on board, which you can do online. You can do online also. And that particular this particular behind the scenes excursion is It's extra $99. So, and it has a it's non-refundable, and it has a minimum age of 8 years old, and you need to wear non-slip closed-toe shoes, photos in approved location, and must be able to go up and down stairs and stair walks for 2 hours. Wow, it's gonna be a 2-hour tour. Free at sea credit discount do not apply. So we're looking forward to this. I guess I can do this. Wow. Well, all right then. Well, I'll see you guys at the next video. I'm going to finish my meal and call it a night. So I'll see you guys in the morning in the next video. We'll be going behind the scenes of the Norwegian cruise ship.